Welcome to the cooler report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is all electric, the stove, oven range stove, and the ovens. And let's take the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 60 inches long. And almost about like a 33.5 inches deep. For the overall height, it's about like a 58 inches tall. Let's take a look at the overall information of the units. So we can see we're having total about like a 10 burners on the top. They're all electric. And for the larger sizes burners, it's about like a 9 inches diameters. And for the smallers, they are about like a 7.5 inches diameters. It's 5 for each of the size. And when we look in the front, we see all the controllers right here, the knobs, and the ovens. You can pull it out. Let's take their measurements for it. For the oven, they are about like a 25 inches deep. And about like a 13.5 inches tall. About 26 inches wide. They have two shelvings at the bottoms, and the shelving is adjustable the heights. And for the ovens, we have two controllers for these units. One is for the temperatures, and the one is for the timing. And the temperature highest one will be about like a 500 Fahrenheit. And when we look in the back of the units, we're having two big wire connections. They have on each of the side for two of those. And for the units, we have a sticker on the side. It's right here. They give you the power voltage. The unit's using the 220 powers, actually 208 to the 240. And for the wire, for the other side, they also need to look installations for this one too. And for the back side, this board have a ventilation exhauster right here. And that's what be the all detailed information about the units. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.